All right, y'all. Take a good look at these beauties because you will need these oils in order to raindrop your feet. I'm going to explain what a raindrop is, and I'm going to attempt to raindrop my feet in front of all y'all today on camera because that's how I roll. All right, Michelle Harvey here, also known as Hippie Oil Chick, trying to get this in my fracking thing. There we go. Very cool. Okay, so what is a raindrop? Well, that's kind of a long explanation, but a raindrop is a technique that was invented by Gary Young and inspired by the Chinese Vitaflex and the Lakota Indians, and he invented, well, he came up with this technique to using oils in a specific order to help your body in all sorts of ways. It supports your immune system. It helps you to rid your body to rid itself of toxins. So it's really popular to use during the winter months, if you know what I mean. And really the best way to do is to actually get a raindrop performed on you by somebody who is certified to perform a raindrop on you. And they do it all down your back, and they start on your feet and then they do it all down your back. Super relaxing. You will have great benefits from it. I want to say like they did a huge statistical analysis, and I think like 96% of people said they noticed extreme benefits and they would do it again. So we start with the oils, and I kind of did you a shot of the oils, but I'm going to go through them again here in just a minute as I attempt to raindrop my feet right in front of you. This is going to be interesting, but hey, why not? Okay. So a lot of times you cannot, either number one, you can't afford to go see someone to go raindrop you because it's not cheap, because they use a lot of oils on you, or number two, you don't have the time to go in and see, to go in and spend an hour getting raindrop, but you have the raindrop kit and you have feet. Well, the feet is a very porous part of the body, and it's got, obviously I just said big pores that sucks in the oils, and the oils will make its way through the body. The way that you know that this is true, or some people know that it's true, is one of my friends actually told me, she said, just like a few minutes after I put cypress on my feet, I can actually taste it in the back of my throat. Some people can actually taste the oils after they put it on their feet. That's how you know they're actually making their way into the body, into the bloodstream, and going to the tissues and organs like they're supposed to do, okay? So without further ado, if you have feet and you have a raindrop kit or you have the raindrop oils, you can raindrop yourself. You don't have to go in and get it done. What you need are the oils set out in order, and let me go ahead and name the order for you. We're going to start with Valor, then we're going to do oregano, thyme, basil, cypress, wintergreen, marjoram, peppermint, and a little blend that we have called Aroma Seas, okay? So here's how you do it. First, let me just show you. This is really awkward, but here's my foot, okay? And the big toe, so basically, I don't know if you've ever noticed this, but the side of your foot kind of looks like a spine, okay? The big toe is the head, the brain, and then you go all the way down the spinal cord. So every single time I apply a drop of oil to my feet, I'm going to apply it on the big toe and let it drip down the spine, and then I'm going to rub my feet together, kind of like a fly's doing before it's gonna eat, and I'm going to rub my feet together, spine to spine, okay? So you're going to take your Valor. The Valor is our energy balancing blend. It smells incredible, high frequency, high energy oil in here. So you take it and you put a drop of it on the top of the big toe, and you just wait for the drop to come out of the bottle. And then it runs down your toe, and then you take it and you rub your feet together all along the side, okay, to where you get it along the spine of the foot, okay, which is right here. Then I take and I do another drop on the other toe, and then I rub it again along the spine of each foot. This is super awkward, y'all, but I'm telling you, this is how I do it. Thank y'all. Thank y'all for not thinking I'm a total weirdo. So then what you sit and do is you marinate. You marinate. You take, you're watching TV, you grab, you know, a glass of champagne or whatever. You have your coffee, you have your book, you have your laptop, whatever it may be, and you work or you watch TV, and then you sit and you let those oils soak into your feet for about 2 to 3 minutes before you do another one. Why? That's because you want to give that oil time to absorb into the feet and start working its magic, and the order of the oils is important before you start the next oil. So you can rush through this and then go directly into your next oil and not waste any time if you're in a hurry. I always say that some oils is better than no oils at all. So if you've got 10 minutes and you are wanting to raindrop your feet real fast and not wait any time in between each oil, go for it. But I prefer to wait. I sit here and I multitask and I do other things while I'm waiting for that valor to soak in. So I'll just kick up my feet on the coffee table and I'll just relax and watch some TV while I'm waiting for the next oil to go, okay? So I wish I had time lapse. I'm probably not gonna go through all the oils, but I just wanted to show you guys how I do it. So it's probably been a couple of minutes since I just put the valor on each foot. Remember, 1 drop. You start at the brain of your foot, which is the big toe, and you let it roll down and then you rub them together, okay? So I'm gonna do oregano and I'm gonna let it drop on my foot and it's gonna rub in all up and down that brain of that foot, that brain in the spine of that foot. And then I'm gonna do another one on the other foot. Woohoo! It's gonna start smelling like an Italian kitchen in here. And then we're just gonna sit and we're gonna wait. So now I'm not going to, you know, wait in between all of those. I'm gonna finish up off the camera, but just after oregano, you're gonna have thyme, you're gonna have your basil, and those 3 need to be done in that order. Then you're gonna have your cypress, then your wintergreen. Now your feet are gonna get cold because some of these oils have cooling effects. So if you wanna put socks on in between each use, you can do that. Put your socks on, you know, for 2 to 5 minutes or 2 to 3 minutes and then take them back off. Marjoram is next. Peppermint, feet gonna get chilly if they aren't already. And then you're gonna end with aroma seas. And then I'm gonna end with one more point, and that is, guys, always apply your oils with affirmation and belief. So as I'm applying the oils in my head, maybe not out loud, but in my head, I am saying that I'm saying an affirmation that I'm coming into alignment with the oils in the plants in the oil for whatever that oil needs to do to help my body. I'm coming into alignment with that. And I'm believing in the power of Mother Earth to work wonders in my body. And that actually is almost as important as applying the oils themselves. How many times do you do this, or when's the best time? I do it whenever I feel the need. And during certain times when I'm, you know, feeling under the weather, I will do it maybe twice a day. But I've done it probably, you know, once or twice a week. And there's Lily in the background. And I love it. I love it. And now I'm using my raindrop kit, whereas before I was only using it when I could get someone in to do a raindrop on me. Now I'm using it on myself. So yay, yay, yay. Thank y'all so much for watching. Do y'all have any other questions before I sign off? Get you a raindrop kit. It's amazing. It has all of those oils, and it has 2 carrier oils. It has a massage oil, and it has the V6 carrier oil, which you will need for an actual raindrop. And little by little, I've started replacing my raindrop oils with the 15 mils because they last longer. All right, thank y'all so much for watching my awkward video. Please share it if you enjoyed it. I hope that I maintained some sense of decency during the video. And I will catch you guys when I get my ER shipment, which is hopefully later on today. Love y'all. Bye.